Today I am reviewing the CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme VR Gaming PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're searching for a powerful gaming desktop that balances performance, design, and future-proof features, the CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme VR Gaming PC is definitely worth your attention. Packed with the latest Intel Core i7-14700F processor, this machine delivers exceptional multitasking and gaming power thanks to its impressive 20-core configuration running at a base clock of 2.1 GHz. Whether you're streaming, editing, or playing demanding AAA titles, this PC has the muscle to handle it all smoothly. One of the highlights of this system is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060T with 16 GB of VRAM. This graphics card provides stunning visuals and efficient ray tracing capabilities, allowing you to enjoy lifelike lighting, shadows, and textures in your favorite games. Paired with a 16 GB DDR5 RAM running an ultra-fast 6,000 MHz speed, you get buttery smooth gameplay and the ability to juggle multiple heavy applications simultaneously without any lag or stutter. Storage is another strong suit here, with a blazing fast 1 TB PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD. This means you'll experience near-instant boot times, lightning-quick game loading, and speedy file transfers. The PCIe Gen 4.0 interface ensures this SSD is ready to handle next-gen software and games, so you won't feel the need to upgrade anytime soon. Connectivity on the Gamer Xtreme VR is extensive and versatile. It features multiple USB ports including 2 USB-C 3.2, 3 USB-A 3.2, and 4 USB-A 2.0 ports, perfect for plugging in all your peripherals. You also get HDMI and dual display ports to connect multiple monitors, plus Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3 support for fast and stable wireless connections. Whether you're into multiplayer gaming or streaming content, these options ensure you stay connected without compromise. The build itself is sleek and gamer-centric with a tempered glass side panel that lets you show off the internal components, complete with customizable RGB lighting to set the mood in your gaming room. It comes bundled with a gaming keyboard and mouse, so you have everything you need right out of the box to start playing immediately. On the software side, this PC runs Windows 11 Home, giving you access to the latest features and gaming optimizations Microsoft has to offer. Plus, CyberPowerPC offers a 1-year parts and labor warranty, along with free lifetime technical support, giving you peace of mind long after your purchase. To summarize, the CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme VR Gaming PC is a well-rounded powerhouse designed for gamers who want high performance, sharp graphics, and solid future-proofing without the hassle of building their own system. Its combination of Intel's cutting-edge processor, NVIDIA RTX 5060T graphics, fast DDR5 memory, and spacious SSD makes it an excellent choice for serious gaming and creative work alike. Whether you're diving into the latest VR titles or multitasking with demanding apps, this PC delivers a smooth, immersive, and responsive experience. If you're ready to level up your gaming setup with a reliable and stylish desktop, the CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme VR is a great investment that won't disappoint.